Hey guys, we're here at Center and Higher where it looks like a fire hydrant has been sheared off. We're gonna get a little bit closer here. There you go, again, we're at Center and Higher. Looks like somebody may have struck a fire hydrant. Good, how are you? Did this car hit the hydrant?
No, that car's from
Oh, okay. So what we're hearing is there's a big rig truck over here that hit a fire hydrant. I'm not sure about any injuries. Doesn't look like anybody's hurt. But again, what we're hearing is a big rig truck over here just sheared off this fire hydrant over here. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. There you go.
Just watch your back just in case cars come up behind you.
Will do, thank you. So again, if you're just tuning in, we're at Center and Higher, and this big rig truck over here sheared off a fire hydrant. Again, Center and Higher, and a big rig truck sheared off this fire hydrant you see here. Again, if you're just tuning in, we're at Center and Higher. We have a big rig truck that sheared off a fire hydrant here. He's cranking it. People asking what happened to the truck that hit it. I'm assuming there's probably some damage, but I don't see anything. I don't hear of any injuries. It's not coming down. So that is the truck that hit the hydrant. I'm not certain of any damage to the truck. So as you can see, we got part of Higher is closed off to traffic. If you're heading this way, this entire intersection is closed off to people heading down center to the boulevard. So yeah, what I heard was there's supposedly you spin it 20 times and the water shuts off, but it doesn't look like there's any progress made here. Again, we're at Center and Higher. Let's see if we can get some footage of this actually being shut off. All right, let's see what we can do here. See, the firefighters are in the dirt trying to get this done here. There you go. I hope you guys can hear that. All right, let's see if we can get this shut off here. We got this guy up here doing some cranking. He's going for it. He's in there. Yeah. We got some turning going on here. Alameda County Fire's finest. Got a lot of turning here. I don't see any diminishing of the water pressure. So again, if you're just tuning in, we're at center and higher. Here's your sign for you. There you go. Center and higher. All right, looks like it's going down a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Alameda County Fire's finest. Shutting it down. There you go. Topping it off. And like I said, we're over here, Center and Higher Street. We got this big rig over here that hit the fire hydrant. I'm not sure the extent of the damage to that truck. I'll take a walk over there, give you guys a look-see. And there it is. How much? How you been?
Good.
Good. Oh, the truck's taken out. Sorry, guys. Sorry, that's the truck that that apparently hit the hydrant. Sorry, I didn't get a shot of the damage to it, but there we go. Thanks to California Highway Patrol and, of course, Alameda County Fire, cranking the wrench, turned it all off. You guys stay safe.